I wanted. Hey everyone, Justin here. I wanted to update you guys on what's been going on. Obviously, as you can probably see from my face, I have this syndrome called Ramsay-Hunt syndrome, and it is from this virus that attacks the nerve in my ear and my facial nerves and has caused my face to have paralysis. As you can see, this eye is not blinking. I can't smile on this side of my face. This nostril will not move. So there's full paralysis in this side of my face. So for those who are frustrated by my cancellations of the next shows, I'm just physically, obviously not capable of doing them. This is pretty serious, as you can see. I wish this wasn't the case, but obviously my body's telling me I gotta slow down.
Feelings. One user commented on Instagram, "Please don't shade the hijab like that." And another user called out Justin's previous controversial choice of wearing dreads, writing, "So first the dreads and now hijab? Can we please cancel him already?" With others commenting, "Cultural appropriation and disrespectful." But while some of social media seemed to find Justin's look offensive, some others saw it as a chance to make memes to acknowledge him celebrating Muslim culture in their opinion. One fan tweeted,